Hi everyone. Welcome to our Octane YouTube channel, where we focus and talk about IBM Planning Analytics, which is also known as TM1. In this video, we will be covering on how to search planning analytics elements using Notepad++. Now, let's get started with our main topic, search planning analytics elements using Notepad++. We have opened the Notepad++, which will help us in searching an element in planning analytics. Before we start searching an element using Notepad++, we will copy the process files .pro, rule files .rux, and dimension files .dim in a separate folder from data folder of SmartCo model, which will help in searching an element and its related information quickly. Let us take an example. A user raised a query and would like to know about the value coming in figure.exp element. In normal process, we are going to log into the SmartCo model. Then, we look for the dimension where the element is available, or we will ask user to share the screenshot of the cube view in which he is looking for the value. Now, we will check whether the element is rule-driven or loaded via process. If that element is rule-driven, then right-click on the cell and click on Trace Calculation to read the rule. If the value is not rule-driven, then we must look for a TI process, which is loading data in the cube. Let us assume 10 TI processes are transferring data for the same cube. Then, we have to go through each TIS code to find a particular TI. It is a time-consuming process. We can use Notepad++, which can help us in finding the exact rule, or TI, transferring, calculating data, for figure.exp. Open Notepad++. Click on Search menu and select Find in Files option from drop-down menu. Enter figure.exp. In the Find What text field, click on the button, showing 3 dots on it. Go to the path where SmartCo_rule_process folder is available. Select the SmartCo_rule_process folder, and click on OK button. Click on Find All button to start the search. Once the search is completed, it will show all the files and the text location with line number, which contains the figure.exp text. We can click on any of the searched files to open the file in Notepad++. As a result of the search, we can see that figure.exp element is used in 6 files. 1. Compensation reporting cube. 2. Compensation cube. 3. Compensation dimension, which means figure.exp element is available in this dimension. 4. Compensation cube rule file. 5. Employee cube rule file. 6. Element attribute _compensation cube. Now, we double-click on the line 27 rule, available under compensation.rux, to open the rule file. We can see that there is a feeder written in employee cube rule file to feed the figure.exp element. Let us look for another element, units sold. Enter units sold in the search text box, and click on Find All button. As a result of the search, we can see that units sold element is used in 16 files. 1. Add product vision process. 2. Copy revenue spreads units process. 3. Load units sold from SPSS process. Followed by list of cubes using this element, dimensions having units sold as an element, and rule files, where we can see rules associated with the element. We can see how easy it is to search all information for any element by one click with the help of Notepad++. I request you to keep following our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive our next video notification. Thanks for watching my video. See you in our next video.